Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get into a Ford Focus through the trunk. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface. Before attempting trunk entry, double-check all doors and windows for any unlocked access. Sometimes, a simple oversight can save you a lot of effort. If all external points are secure, proceed to the rear of the car. If your key fob isn't working, try the physical key. Many Ford Focus models have a hidden keyhole, often near the license plate light or under a small cover. Insert the key and turn it to unlock the trunk. Sometimes, a gentle lift or push on the trunk lid while turning the key can help release a stubborn latch. After gaining access to the trunk, look for the emergency release handle. This is typically a glow-in-the-dark T-shaped or L-shaped handle mandated by safety regulations. Pull it firmly to fully open the trunk lid. Next, you'll need to access the main cabin. Locate the seat release levers, usually on the top corners of the rear seats, and pull them to fold the seats down. With the rear seats folded, carefully and safely crawl through the opening into the passenger compartment. Take your time and avoid any sharp edges. Once you are inside the main cabin, you can easily reach the driver's door to unlock it or insert your key into the ignition to start the car. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your car's interior, or even your home, spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.